In the era of cloud computing, infrastructure as a code is becoming an essential part of software development lifecycle. Terraform is one such tool that enables us to write, plan, and create infrastructure resources in a declarative way. In this Terraform series, we will start from the basics and gradually move towards advanced topics. I am a full stack developer and a top rated plus freelancer at upwork.com. Also, if you have not subscribed my channel, you can subscribe now. It helps to create more courses and tutorials for free. So let's get started. In the first part of the series, we will cover an introduction to the Terraform and its key concepts. Terraform is an open source tool developed by HashiCorp written in a Go language. It allows you to define and manage your infrastructure as a code in a declarative language. Terraform supports multiple providers such as Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud Platform, and many more. Terraform uses a declarative language called HashiCorp configuration language to define infrastructure resources. HCL is a human readable language that enables you to define resources and their configuration in a simple and concise manner. Key features of Terraform: infrastructure as a code. Terraform allows you to define your infrastructure as code, which enables you to version and manage it like any other software code. Multi-cloud support. Terraform supports multi-cloud providers and services, enabling you to manage your infrastructure in a consistent and unified way. Declarative language. Terraform uses a declarative language to define infrastructure resources, which makes it easy to read, understand, and maintain. Plan and apply. Terraform provides a plan and apply workflow that allows you to preview the changes before applying them to the infrastructure. State management. Terraform maintains a state file that records the current state of infrastructure, which enables it to detect any changes and apply them only when necessary. Terraform has several key concepts that are important to understand before using it. Providers are the cloud service providers that Terraform supports. Terraform provides a plug-in architecture to support multiple providers. Resources are the individual components of your infrastructure that you define in a Terraform. For example, an EC2 instance in an AWS or a virtual machine in an Azure. Modules. Modules are reusable piece of infrastructure that can be used to create complex infrastructure configurations. Modules can be shared and used across different projects. State is a file that records the current state of infrastructure. Terraform uses state to determine what changes to make when applying updates. Variables are used to pass values to Terraform configurations. Variables can be defined in a separate file or in a same file as a Terraform configuration. Outputs are the values that are generated by Terraform configuration. Outputs can be used in other Terraform configuration or as an input to other tools. If you want to get started with Terraform, you need to follow some steps. First, you need to install Terraform. It can be installed on various platforms such as Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. You can download Terraform binary from the official website. As we will discuss this installation process in our next part. Then you have to choose a provider. Okay, it can be AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud provider. Then you have to write Terraform configuration in HCL that defines your infrastructure resources. Then second last, you have to run the plan command to preview the changes that Terraform will make. Then at the end, you have to use a run apply command to apply the changes to your infrastructure. So this was all about introduction and basic key concepts of Terraform. In our next part, we are going to discuss how to install and set up Terraform and AWS CLI. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. If you have any questions or feedback, leave a comment below. I will get back to you. Stay tuned for more courses and tutorials. And until next time, goodbye.